DIY Drip TV. What's up? It's your girl TT the artist, and we're going to be creating some custom kicks today on this episode of DIY Drip TV. We'll also be doing some unboxing of my favorite brand, Angelus paints. Let's get into it. Straight out the box, we have the acrylic satin finisher, which is a great top coat to put on all your artwork after you're done customizing your kicks. As I'm doing my unboxing, I'm going to give you the inside scoop on my favorite colors and what makes the TT the Artist palette. As you can see, I have a light blue, salmon pink, which is a new one I'm trying out, blue turquoise, which is a must in my palette. Now, one thing I really love about this brand is their neon UV light activated paints. If you go on their website, they have a special area with special colors, and the vibrancy of these colors are so amazing. I love the Rio Red. These colors pop so well in the UV light and are great for if you want to take your look from daytime to evening, like if you have an event to go to, a club, a EDM party, or even a music festival. These colors definitely make a statement. Now, this South Beach is just such a beautiful teal turquoise color. I love it. Gives me Miami vibes. And Volt Green is a must-have in my palette. Okay, now we're gonna check out the goodies. Today's shoes are brought to you by Vans. Okay, let's open the box and see what we have in here. Oh, wow, yes, we have the skate high top, all white classic Vans. I mean, these are must-have in your shoe collection and the perfect canvas for our activity today. You can really get creative on how you customize your sneakers, but today we're gonna be focusing on my style, which is kind of a mix of abstract art, color blocking, and hand-drawn typography. Also, I've removed the shoestrings so that I can get full coverage on my sneaker, and later on, I'll replace them with some cool neon laces. Some call it neon yellow, I call it chartreuse, because I'm a little bougie. What I love about this project is it's great for what we're going through right now, which is the quarantine. We're all in lockdown. So if you have an old pair of sneakers deep down in your closet, or even a new pair of sneakers you haven't worn that could use a little makeover, add a little acrylic, fabric paint, or even markers, and you're all set to customize your kicks. As you can see, I'm putting my palette together, and I like to use 3 different palettes. My first palette is usually my neon and UV activated colors. My second palette are my primary colors, accent colors. And my third palette I like to do is a pastel palette. Why? Because pastels make great underpainting, so I really love the tones of pastel colors. And one last ingredient to my palette are metallics. I love to incorporate a gold or silver metallic just to add a little magic onto my sneaker. It really gives your sneaker character when it hits the light and just a little bit of flavor. Now, the shoes that I'm customizing today are going to involve a freehand style of art. So I have to get one of my special ingredients. It's a must-have, and that is black. Disclaimer, if you're an art student, most of your teachers will say don't use black because it flattens your art. But for this instance, we want our words and text to stand out on our shoe, so we're gonna use black. Okay, so I got my brush, I got my palette, I got my shoes, and I'm all set. But this is actually one of my one-of-a-kind hand-painted original sweatshirts, and I don't want to get it messed up, so I'm gonna have to change. One second. Whoa, this is actually also an original of mine, but I don't mind getting this one messed up. Be sure to wear clothing that you don't mind getting paint on so you don't mess up your favorite t-shirt or sweatshirt. All right, y'all, get ready for the movie magic. There you have it, TT the Artist Custom Kicks. I really have fun with these. On one side, I created more of an interactive panel so that, my client could design and create their art. And I also added some inspiration at the bottom by putting the word stream and a cute cloud all over print. I added my abstract color palette. I love that it feels like you just kind of went crazy with the colors and just very expressive mark making. I also have other side with more affirmation words written on it. The bottom, I even went in and did some color, added some color at the bottom. And I just think this came out really fun. And, get your Sharpie and go to work. I'm going to pack this actually with the box that I'm sending out to my client. And thank you guys so much for tuning in.
Eliminate all fears, have faith, and not act in desperation because you'll block your light. And all we have to do is remember to remind each other in small ways how we can live our truth and become ourselves more and more each day. We'll never be down if we just keep the faith. That's all you have to do, really, is just keep the faith any way that you know how.